over here so you guys know what I'm talking about. But here's the box. I've only cut it open like here. As you can see, it's still completely. So I figured I would film this video. I was going to play lash serums like that Grande Lash or whatever, and I'm gonna try and just. I don't even know if the camera's gonna do it justice. So we haven't been cussing all week. Okay, so let's. I lost it. Let me get the other one. About my makeup, and I said something to her about her earrings, and we talked. And she's an actual licensed cosmetologist up there, so we got talking, and she was like, "Oh, you need to check out Danessa Myrick." And I'd heard of her. She's like Pat McGrath, but like USA Pat McGrath, whereas this color. But wow. Okay, so there's also I won't use this. I will probably list this today on Depop.